right? You can also add more liquid if you like to. Piece of lemon inside of it, all right? Cucumber inside of it, all right? And this is how it look right here. And you can drink this right straight through the day. You can also cool it down and drink it right straight through the day, all right? You can add some organic honey to it if you like to, and also drink it right straight through the day. Trust me, it is an amazing cup of tea, guys. Right here, which I'm showing you, where you guys are lovely and needed to make at home. Yeah, simple, because you don't have to boil, because I'm using boiling water, so you don't need to boil it, and it's just to make it simmer down into the water like that. So I can even